Though it's not entirely necessary, you may want to install the SketchUp program on your computer in order to view some of the files on the CD. On your browser, go to sketchup.com. On the home page for SketchUp, you'll see there are two versions of SketchUp available. One's a pro version, the other one's a free version. For this book, click Learn More. When it comes to the next page, click in the upper left-hand corner, Download. The next page allows you to choose your operating system, Windows or Macintosh, and then click Download Google SketchUp. The page doesn't ask for any personal information, it just allows you to click here to download Google SketchUp. On the Windows operating system, you can both save it and run the program. Since it's almost a 19 megabyte program, you may not want to run it immediately. So save it to your hard drive or your desktop, and be sure to put it on your desktop so you can find it later. Now the Google installer looks something like this when it's on your desktop. Double click on it in order to make the installation. And after it installs, you'll see another icon that looks like this, Google SketchUp. Double click on that icon and it will open Google SketchUp to this user interface. The interface defaults to a number of tools that you don't need for this to view these files, and what we're going to do first is turn them off. Go to View, Toolbars, turn off the Google, View, Toolbars, Getting Started, and then go back, View, Toolbars, and turn on Camera. Camera is going to pop up in a isolated or floating toolbar that looks like this. We can dock this by just sliding it up and putting it on the top of the user interface. We're going to use these to look at the model in this CD. The other thing we'll want to do just to get more room in this video is go to View, Toolbars, and turn off the large buttons. That way we get them small. What we're going to do first is just draw a quick object. I'm not going to even dimension the object. Rectangle. I'm going to extrude the object up. Pop a door in it. Not like that. Push in the door. Maybe we'll put in a window. Then I'll quickly just pull up a roof. This is just to demonstrate the navigation tools, not really to demonstrate SketchUp. If you do want to learn SketchUp, you can look at our other book, 3D Construction Modeling, and it will show you more about the particulars of modeling in SketchUp. At any rate, this is the Orbit tool and allows us to orbit around, and I picked it here, Orbit tool. Pan tool allows me to pan side to side. Zoom tool, zoom in, zoom out, but the Zoom Windows tool allows me to go to a particular spot in the model. Then I can orbit again, zoom out, or I can zoom extents. That will go to the outer parameters or outer boundaries of the model itself. Orbit, zoom extents, or I can return. Let me zoom into this door, and I can return to my previous zoom. So that very quickly is how to use the navigation or the camera tools in SketchUp. Go ahead and try these navigation tools or these camera tools on your own. Remember, there's the Zoom Previous that takes you back to your previous view. Zoom Extents that takes you to the boundaries or the outside extents of the model. Zoom Windows, zoom in, zoom, lets you go in and out, pan, slide left, right, up, down, and orbit, which allows you to go around the model, view the other side of it.